Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. Just finished building this beautiful 331 Ford 410 horsepower engine for our customer's 1971 Comet GT. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build here. Again, we got the 331 Ford stroker engine, power forged pistons in there, double roller timing chain, roller lifter cam, aluminum cylinder heads are on there, all the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. New timing cover, new balancer, oil pressure extensions on there for easy hookup, proper oil pan for the 71 Comet, front sump oil pan, brass grease plugs installed, painted the red. It's real nice Taylor ignition wires in black, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. The Comet valve covers on there with the black oval air cleaner with the washable filter element. Distributor set in place, MSD ignition coil. We installed the Holley Sniper fuel injection system on there. Throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. Every engine is live run at the engine factory. You'll see a video of your engine running in the stand. All the readings, manifold vacuum reading, oil pressure cold and hot, water temperature. I'll set up the entire menu screen on the Holley Sniper EFI. It'll be completely all set for the customer, plug and play, ready to go. Heavy duty Russell fuel line, all the loop clamps, gas filters installed. We have the aluminum bell housing. Customer's running a TKX transmission. We supplied the transmission bolts, set up the external hydraulic slave cylinders, all set up, all adjusted with the clutch fork, throwout bearing. Clutch is all set up, ready to go. High torque mini starter, real nice polished serpentine Raptor pulley kit, AC compressors on there, 8 rib heavy duty belt, self tensioning belt tensioner, all set. High flow aluminum water pump, 160 amp 1-wire hookup alternator, power steering pumps on there, thermostat housings on there, thermostats installed, the bypass hose, oil stick and tube. So you can see it's a complete turnkey engine, fully tested, drop-in ready, 331 Ford, ready to go. Thanks for watching.